In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up unnecessary files from your computer using some simple steps. Our goal here is to free up space and potentially improve the performance of your system. Let's dive in and get started right from your desktop. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your desktop, which is your starting point for this entire process. With your desktop in view, focus your attention on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll see the Windows search bar, typically located near the Start menu. Go ahead and click on that search bar. This action will bring up the search window, allowing you to input your desired commands. Next, type the word Run into the search bar and hit Enter on your keyboard. This opens up a smaller window labeled Run. This tool is integral to accessing system folders on your computer. In the Run window, you're going to type in Prefetch and press Enter once again. Prefetch is a folder where Windows stores information about programs that are frequently used, which can accumulate over time and occupy unnecessary space. When you open the Prefetch folder, you'll see a list of files. These are essentially temporary files that your system uses to speed up processes, but clearing them won't harm your system. To delete these, first press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This command selects all the files displayed in the folder. After selecting the files, press Shift+Delete. This combination will permanently remove all the selected files. Once you've cleared out the Prefetch folder, it's time to return to the Run window to tackle another set of junk files. Open the Run window again, and this time type in %temp and press Enter. The Temp folder contains dump files and other temporary files that can be safely deleted. As you did with the Prefetch folder, select all the files by pressing Ctrl+A, followed by Shift+Delete, to permanently clear all these files as well. And there you have it, you're at the finish line. You successfully deleted unnecessary files from both the Prefetch and Temp directories. By following these instructions, you've cleared out potentially gigabytes of unwanted data, making your computer both lighter and possibly a bit faster. Remember, doing this regularly can help maintain your computer's performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below.